What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel.
Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up.
All right, so Happy New Year's, everybody.
Yep, Happy New Year.
So we are in the car, pump some gas right now, because we're gonna make a little trip to
Great Wolf Lodge!
So we're pretty excited about it. We're gonna spend, 2 days there. So we're just pumping some gas and we're gonna have fun. You gonna have fun, girls?
Yes.
And this is Karina's first time.
Say hi. Hi.
First time going, so she should be excited. So I guess we'll see you. We'll see you when we get there.
Yes. We made it here. Mommy is checking in. Karina fell asleep, so let's show you. Look how big these wolves are. It's hard for you guys to see here because there's so much bright. So we just made it here and Mommy's checking in, so we have to wait until we can go in. So we'll talk to you guys when we get in there.
Yeah. We made it. We made it, sister. You excited? We made it right here. We'll be here for a few hours playing in the water park. The girls are changing right now. Gotta go to the bathroom. But it's gonna be fun. You gonna have fun? Yeah, get in the water? Yeah.
Guys, we're here and I am gonna go. I'm going on that one slide. So let's just go do it. I'm excited. That was so fun!
30:15. All right. All right, sister. You ready to go in? Come on. Let's go to the room. Let's go, sister.
Is that a cabin?
Look at this, girls. Who's Lola?
Karina gets a little bed.
Light switch. You got one in there.
Oh, look at this.
Mom, look, we have our own TV.
It's your room. There's 3 beds in here.
For 3 months. Poppy, I get the top one.
Hey,
You got the controller.
you want to watch TV?
Look, she can sit down. I say let her get it. She doesn't normally get a sleeping one at home.
Oh, this thing's just hurting me.
Hey.
Yeah, I know. Ready to change?
Yeah, I'm right here. You want to watch TV? Yeah.
Yeah, just put both of those.
Guys, there's one more important part I had to show you.
Are you still recording?
No, I just turned it on. We have a balcony. Yes. Is the thing moved? Nope. Yes, it is. Oh. I have no shoes on. Close the door. Yes. Okay, guys, it was nice of you. Don't know what Tiana's trying to do, but we have a pretty weird view. Like, just saying. I think our view's in the back because we see a big building. We have a really weird view. Yeah, we can see other people's views. We can see other people's houses. Okay, it's cold out here. Let's go back in. We're about to go to the arcade. Gotta go to the arcade. No one to come in our house. At first I didn't know how. There. Now I gotta put my shoes on. Hi guys, we're back to go eat some dinner. We just got back from swimming. Say hi, Yaya. Hi. Can you say hi? It's 1 hour past our dinner time. Yep. Well, it's look at the roof. Hello. Yeah. Got apple hood. Some. This is what I got. Mac and cheese. Cute sauce. What are those square called? I got some cheese, got some ranch, got some agua, got some Coke, and Pepsi. Got some Pepsi. Okay, get some water, get some water, get some water, get some food. Okay guys, let me show you my food. It's so good. So I got some of these things that Tiana got. Queuton. Crawton. Mac and cheese. Chicken nuggets and a beautiful sandwich. Sandwich? I said salad. And Mommy got back yumminess. Not back. Got back from getting a dessert. Look what I got. So I think it's like chocolate pudding. Brownie with icing. Chocolate puppy? So then I got this like pudding. Jello with a gum. Guys, let me show you mine. I got 5 desserts. So I got basically everything chocolate except one thing. Chocolate cake, chocolate cupcake, chocolate pudding, chocolate brownie cake, and blue Jello with this on it.
Cozy. Let the Snowland winter fun begin.
Hey guys, it's day 2 of the water day. Say hi. Fudge. Say hi. Hi. We just cleaned up the whole room. Hi.
You ready? You ready to go swimming?
Her face. Okay. So let's go.
Now let's go, let's go. Body room.
Look, this is cleaning the rooms. See, mommy.
What about that towel? You take it?
Mommy. Now look, they're cleaning that room. See, no sense. Hey guys. Yes. Hey guys. We're just found a seat. Yes, and Frida's putting her hair up. We're about to go over there. I'm gonna go on those slides over there. And I can't wait. That bucket right there. It falls down and water comes out of it.
On people. Oh, guys. It's gonna go.
What'd you say?
It's gonna fall on people.
Oh, that noise. Right there, guys.
And should we come in? Now. There it goes.
That was cool. All that water came out of that giant bucket.
Frida, come on. Frida. Come on. Let's go play.
Stand up. There you go.
Hey guys, I'm about to go into yellow now.
Alright guys, we're here at the pool.
At the wave pool, but it's not wavy.
At the wave pool with no waves.
Not yet. But I will go underwater for you guys.
sister. Wake up. She partied too much. She played too hard. Here we go. We're leaving. Saying bye-bye.
Good big sister, little sister is out for the count.
Thank you.
We have to go upstairs.
Are you going to be able to go upstairs?
People are waiting.
Oh, look at her. She's all knocked out. Say bye-bye, girls. Bye-bye, Griffin Line. Alright, so we just finished our second day here.
Great Wolf Lodge.
And the baby right here, she fell asleep. She was so tired. She didn't nap today. So, but we're here checking out the place. So guys, thank you for watching.
Subscribe and we'll follow you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.